Alright, I'm out here at Baker Station Road in, if I recall correctly, Nashville, or at least near Goodlettsville. I believe this is Houston County, so it would be Nashville. So anyways, as you can see, the signals here have sadly been upgraded to LED, but thankfully both signals are still gateless and bellless. Anyways, the first signal here, now has two pairs of Westcon Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights with Westcon Hayes second generation LEDs. Right there's one of the LEDs. And right here's the back one lights where you can see it says WC Hayes. And then coming over here, we got the other signal, which also has more Westcon Hayes 12 by 24 inch lights with Westcon Hayes second generation LEDs. There's the LED, and you can see me. And there is the back one light heads. So yeah, a bit of a shame that the classic 8-inch lights here are now gone. So I'm glad I recorded this a few years ago when I did. But at the same time, CSX seems to have been upgrading the Hendersonville subdivision. No, or the Henderson, whatever it's called, Henderson subdivision, I don't know. To LED, at least in the Tennessee part. So, I mean, this was probably so I'm not really too surprised about this. So yeah, just here's an update to the Baker Station Road Railroad crossing. Over and out.